Welcome, everyone, to this session on optimizing CI/CD pipeline efficiency. In today's fast-paced development world, continuous integration and continuous delivery, or CI/CD, are fundamental. However, inefficient pipelines can quickly become a significant drain on resources, leading to longer build times, frustrated developers, and unexpectedly high cloud service costs. Our goal today is to equip you with practical strategies to tackle these challenges head-on. We'll explore methods to reduce build minutes, optimize resource utilization, and ultimately cut down on your cloud expenditure, ensuring your CI/CD pipelines are not just functional, but truly efficient and cost-effective. Before we dive into solutions, let's truly understand the problem. Inefficient CI/CD isn't just about slow builds. It's a multifaceted issue with significant financial and productivity impacts. Think about the direct costs. Every minute your build server runs, you're paying for compute resources. If these resources are idle or over-provisioned, that's wasted money. Then there are the indirect costs. Long build times mean developers wait longer for feedback, disrupting their flow and reducing overall productivity. This can lead to increased context switching, missed deadlines, and ultimately higher operational expenses that often go unnoticed until it's too late. The first step towards optimization is understanding your current state. You can't improve what you don't measure. We need to establish a baseline. This involves tracking key metrics like the average build time, the number of successful versus failed builds, and the actual cost per build run. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or even your CI/CD platform's built-in analytics can provide invaluable insights. By pinpointing bottlenecks, whether it's a slow test suite, a lengthy dependency download, or an inefficient deployment step, you can focus your efforts where they'll have the most impact. This data-driven approach is crucial for demonstrating the ROI of your optimization efforts. One of the quickest ways to see improvements is by optimizing your build environment. Containerization, using tools like Docker, provides consistent and isolated environments, preventing "it works on my machine" issues. More importantly, leverage caching for dependencies. Instead of downloading all your project's libraries every single time, cache them. This can dramatically reduce build times. Also, consider using pre-built images with common dependencies already installed. This reduces the initial setup time for each build, further cutting down on those precious build minutes and the associated compute costs. For larger projects, sequential builds can be a major bottleneck. The solution often lies in parallelization. Instead of running all your tests one after another, configure your CI/CD system to run them concurrently across multiple agents or cores. Similarly, if your build process involves compiling different modules, explore distributing these tasks. Many modern CI/CD platforms and cloud-native solutions offer robust support for distributed builds, allowing you to effectively scale your build capacity horizontally. This dramatically reduces the overall time from commit to deploy, getting feedback to developers much faster. Building on our discussion of dependency caching, let's delve into more advanced caching strategies. Beyond just external libraries, consider caching build artifacts, the compiled code, compiled assets, or even the entire output of a previous build stage. Docker layer caching is another powerful technique. If a Docker file instruction hasn't changed, that layer can be reused from a previous build, saving significant time. Finally, explore incremental builds, where only the changed parts of your code are recompiled, rather than the entire project. Each of these methods minimizes redundant work, leading to faster execution and lower compute consumption. Managing your cloud resources efficiently is paramount to controlling costs. Many CI/CD systems allow for auto-scaling build agents. This means your infrastructure can dynamically spin up more agents when demand is high and scale them down or terminate them when idle. This prevents over-provisioning and ensures you only pay for what you use. For non-critical or batch jobs, consider using spot instances, which offer significantly lower costs compared to on-demand instances, albeit with the risk of interruption. Always look for ways to terminate idle resources as soon as they are no longer needed, minimizing wasted expenditure. Testing often consumes a significant portion of build time. Optimizing your test suite is critical. Beyond parallelizing tests, consider smarter execution strategies. Can you run only the tests relevant to the changed code instead of the entire suite every time? This is known as selective test execution. For tests that interact with external services, employ mocking or stubbing. This isolates your tests from slow or unreliable external dependencies, allowing them to run much faster and more consistently. The goal is to get rapid feedback on code quality without unnecessary delays. Optimization isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. You need continuous monitoring of your CI/CD pipeline's performance and costs. Set up alerts for any anomalies, sudden spikes in build time, cost overruns, or frequent failures. Regularly review your build metrics and cloud billing reports. Based on these insights, iterate on your optimizations. Perhaps a new dependency is slowing things down, or a test has become flaky. Treat your pipeline as a product that needs continuous improvement. This iterative approach ensures you maintain efficiency and cost-effectiveness in the long run. To recap, optimizing CI/CD pipeline efficiency is crucial for reducing build minutes and cloud service costs. We've covered streamlining environments, parallelization, smart caching, efficient resource management, and faster testing. The key is to start small, measure everything, and iterate continuously. Looking ahead, the landscape of CI/CD is constantly evolving. We're seeing exciting developments in serverless CI/CD, which can further reduce operational overhead, and even AI-driven optimization, where intelligent systems could dynamically adjust pipeline configurations for peak efficiency. Embracing these trends will ensure your development workflow remains cutting-edge and cost-effective.